Fluffy here, and today we are back with the all-new Honeylicious OMG Remix doll. She is so beautiful and so pretty, and though she's not meant to be rare, I'm gonna say from what I've seen on the shelves at the stores, she is going to be a rare one just by default of just the low inventory that they have in stores. Like, I've been only seeing like 3 at each store, if the store even has them. Like, some of the stores don't even carry her that I've been to, and then the stores that did carry her only had 3 on the display, like in the total store. Like, that's it. And like, that's just that on that. We only have 3, and I'm just like, wow. So I made sure that I grab mines up. If you want duplicates, I'd say make sure you get those early, because woo, she's gonna go fast. Like, just look at this packaging. Isn't this so nice? I love that her record is pink. Cute. Honeylicious Demix. Like, she's just so cute. Just her packaging, just everything about her is just to die for to me. Look at her remix box. Oh my gosh, friends. Isn't she pretty? Oh, darling. Okay, darling. She is so cute. I can't wait to go in depth about her. Oh, okay. We have been waiting to see this girl for so long, and the fact that I'm finally getting to see her in person. Look at her eyes, look at her makeup, her little freckles. Look at her LOL OMG waistband on her thing. And I'm gonna tell you, when I first seen the leaks of her, my first time seeing her, I was not a fan of her outfit, but looking up close, her the camouflage is like a digital pixelated camouflage, kind of like a Minecraft looking camouflage, and I'm really digging it. The vibe is right. Okay, this is perfect. This for parents of kids who love like Minecraft and all that type of stuff. I could see a girl like wanting this doll just because of her clothes and stuff like that. Like, so cute. Look at this, friends. Okay, so she has got, this is what happens when you open her package. Look at all that. See her pants, how it's like a digital camouflage. That is so cute. And then her record player, of course. And then here is her accessory boxes that come in this little bin. If I can get those out. She's got a blue one and a black one. Get these out. Blue and black are her accessories. So cute. So oh yeah, I love her part. She is just so cute. Whoever's doing her voice is really pretty. I just really think it's cute. Okay, I was like concerned too about them being $35 and not coming with like something else, like a little sister or something else. But when I realized all that the packaging does, all the stuff that this girl comes with, the girls come with, and everything, and how everything's intertwined, how they have a second outfit, I was just like, oh, it's worth it. Definitely worth it. This will make a really nice Christmas present, I will say. Like, so cute. The fact that her stand is this hot pink, like, this is my favorite color pink. This pink right here, I love all pink, but this little hot pink that people make is fire to me. Like, I just love it. We remix this vibe, we rule the world, that's right. Okay. I reinforced my stand, as you guys have told me last video, that you just keep it down there for reinforcing, or you can use it as a seat. I just want to go into detail. Look at the braiding. Very beautiful braiding. I always wonder if they must have some sort of machine braiding the hair, because I know Swag has braids. These beautiful black braids, or yeah, this, I want to say this is black. or this at most this is a number 2 for all my people who know hair. This is either a number 2 or a 1B. And then the pink highlights. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I've seen so many little girls with their hair like this, so I know that this girl is going to be a big hit. Okay, and I really want to take her braids out, because at first I'm gonna say, like, I was like, oh my gosh, why would they braid braids that are already braided? And I know that sounds crazy, like a riddle, but that's how I was thinking. I'm like, okay, she already has braids, and they took those braids and braided them again, like, you know. Anyway, but after seeing her in person, I totally get why they did it. And just, it's so cute. I'm gonna open her magazine. I'm sorry, her music zine, as they call it. Honeylicious. And it says, my mix is so fly. I gotta put it on airplane mode. Ooh! Yeah, there is an LOL OMG remix playing, and I really feel that whole this is a clue to let us know that the plane was coming, okay? My mix is so far, I gotta put it in airplane mode. I see you, MGA. I see you. Okay, I see you. I want to see what's in these, like me. What is in the black box? See, because I want to see. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the pixelation. Okay, they even put the pixelation that is in the camo, that is in the glasses, the hot pink glasses. And are these? Yeah, these are like hot pink. Hold on, let me get her up here for you. Okay, so these are a pinkish reddish, but they still go. Like, it's a different, this is more of a coral pink. It's not really red, but it's not hot pink, but I like this pink too, because I like all pink. So, woo, these are fly. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, okay? They went to the trouble to give this girl a laptop, and not only is it a laptop, she's making beats on this laptop, okay? She's like the music producer that makes the beats for the songs. It's a smartwatch, definitely. I'm gonna assume in 2020 this is supposed to be a smartwatch. This is nice and just adorable. Fire, cute little gold chain, and some earrings. Very cute, very pretty. These little door knocker earrings are just hoops in general, but these are door knockers because they have a hook to them. And don't you love how all that stuff just fits in here like bam? Okay, wham bam, thank you ma'am. They gave her a gold brush. This though, music. Just the fact that they got live music in pink on here. Let me open this so y'all can see. What do we get? We get a nice little denim skirt. Very cute. Put that to the side. So I want y'all to see this denim skirt. This little denim outfit is adorable. Fire. Look at the construction on this. The stitching. Wow. And it has back pockets like a real jean outfit. This one has a nice, cute jean jacket, I think. Put this to the side. Oh, I didn't realize that this is headphones on her bag. Isn't this cute? See, these garment bags cannot, it's like headphones with camo behind it. And these little garment bags cannot be just tossed to the side. They're collectible as well. Oh my gosh, look at her jean jacket, guys. Look at the detail on this jean jacket. Look at the details. So pretty. And what does it say? Hold on, let's see. They are not playing. MGA is not playing. It says, we rule this world. Okay. All right, honey. We rule this world. Okay. We rule the world. That's right. We're LOL. Surprise. Right. Exactly. We rule this world. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Definitely an 80s throwback, with the fact that one sleeve is like, has all the like graffiti type work on it. So half the jacket has graffiti type work. And then the other half, guys, has this. Isn't this so cute? OMG, this is, and then the little hoodie, geometric shapes or whatever is always like attributed to like 80s style. So very cute. What came out of this is some camo, digitized camo, which is fire. Definitely reminding me of Minecraft. Digitized camo, and they are pants, but they look like they have some type of, their pants suspenders maybe. Oh no, these are just pants, and this is like a little belt. Okay, and they did the little belt in the middle. That's nice. And look at the chain hanging from it. Like, this is cute. In the hat box there were these little sleeve things, and I know they're for sleeves because I've seen people like put her, I've seen her in a second outfit, and so that's the only reason why I know that they're supposed to be like sleeves. However, we'll just leave that to the side. So I think they're supposed to go with the denim outfit. These two go together. I know we're missing like a top, but I have not opened none of this, so maybe it's in here, but I'm thinking this is shoes, but I might be, you know, maybe there's other stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Woo! Look at the shoes though, guys. OMG. Look at these shoes, guys. Oh, friends. This is so cute. This is so pretty. Left and right. These shoes are on point. And look, the shoes say OMG. Hold on, friends. Whew. I knew, I was like, I'm missing a top. Okay, here we go. The pink bag has a top. Make sure you open it all the way. Here we go. So this and this skirt go together. And then you put the sleeves with it. Okay? Is that nice? I think that's cute. So this is Lone Star's second outfit because they can mix and match outfits. But I love it. I think I prefer it on Honeylicious because it goes well with her hair and stuff like that. So that's just me. And I'm going to get her dressed in her favorite outfit and be right back because I want you guys to see her dressed and cute. All right. 1 second. Be right back, friends. My boo is keeping this outfit. She is so pretty and just so gorgeous, and I don't know what to say other than I just think she's so pretty, so gorgeous. Like, you guys, like, this is literal artwork. Like, artwork. Okay, the design team, MGA, you guys are still fire. The only doll company giving all people of color a representation, and especially in 2020, representation of all the colors of black people and people of color in general matter. And I'm including, when I say people of color, I'm including Mexican, I'm including Indian, you know. There's so many different browns that MGA definitely does in their dolls. Like, I've seen every color of person in their dolls, and I just love it. So kudos to you guys. We'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye for now.